Betterment activity filter transaction by account type and time frame. Hi everyone, I'm at 260 today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. For Betterment's activity filter transaction, what you can do is select the three horizontal lines in the upper left of your screen and select activity in Betterment. Then you can filter by account type, transaction type, and time frame. Choose that according to what you want. These three are the options, which is account type, transaction type, and time frame. Select the one you prefer, and after you do that, you will be able to filter out as you want. And this is Betterment activity, filter, transaction by account type, and time frame. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.